Delicious homemade strawberry blueberry icing lava cake recipe, easy dessert tutorial. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a sweet treat in store for you, a mouth-watering homemade strawberry blueberry icing lava cake. If you're a fan of gooey, decadent desserts, you're in for a real treat. Before we dive into the deliciousness, don't forget to subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on our fantastic recipes. Now, let's get baking. Here's what you'll need for this scrumptious dessert. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 cup granulated sugar. ½ cup unsalted butter. 1/4 cup cocoa powder. 4 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/4 teaspoon salt. ½ cup fresh strawberries, diced. ½ cup fresh blueberries. ½ cup powdered sugar, for dusting. Vanilla ice cream, optional, for serving. Preparation. Step 1. Preheat the oven. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Make sure to grease your ramekins or baking dishes with a little butter to prevent sticking. Step 2. Melt the butter. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt the butter. Once melted, add the cocoa powder and stir until well combined. This will give our lava cake that rich chocolatey flavor. Step 3. Mix dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour and sugar. Step 4. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Now pour the melted butter and cocoa mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix well to form a smooth batter. Step 5. Add eggs and vanilla. Add the eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Then, mix in the vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. This will give our lava cake a perfect balance of sweetness. Step 6. Fold in berries. Gently fold in the diced strawberries and blueberries. This will add a burst of fruity goodness to every bite. Step 7. Fill ramekins. Divide the batter evenly into your greased ramekins or baking dishes. Make sure not to overfill, as the lava cake needs room to rise and ooze that delicious filling. Step 8. Bake. Pop your ramekins into the preheated oven and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the edges are set, but the center is still gooey. Cooking times may vary, so keep an eye on them. Step 9. Serve and enjoy. Once baked, let the lava cakes cool for a few minutes. Now, it's time to enjoy your homemade strawberry blueberry icing lava cake. And there you have it, a delightful dessert that's sure to impress. If you try this recipe, be sure to tag us on social media. Here are some benefits of homemade strawberry blueberry icing lava cake. Fresh ingredients. When you make this lava cake at home, you have control over the quality and freshness of the ingredients. Fresh strawberries and blueberries add a burst of natural sweetness and flavor. Customization. Homemade lava cakes allow you to customize the recipe to suit your preferences. You can adjust the level of sweetness, experiment with different types of berries, or even add a touch of citrus for a unique twist. No preservatives. Since you are making the lava cake from scratch, you can avoid the preservatives and additives often found in store-bought desserts. This makes your homemade treat a healthier option. Control over sugar content. You can control the amount of sugar in the recipe, making it a great option for those who are conscious of their sugar intake. This flexibility allows you to enjoy a sweet treat without excessive sugar. Rich in antioxidants. Berries, such as strawberries and blueberries, are rich in antioxidants. These compounds have various health benefits, including reducing inflammation and protecting cells from damage. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until next time, happy baking! Thank you very much homemade strawberry blueberry icing lava cake lovers.